last name Styles, first name DeShay. When you sit up in my chair, best believe I'm about to slay. Well-rounded stylist who done sprouted from the bay, and I ain't stopping till I make it. When I do, I'm switching lanes. Look, what you need, I got it. Do you need my product? It's all natural, I can ship it if you wanna cop it. Natural hair you rockin', let me twist and lock it. Not all I do, but I can show you I'm the truth. My booking link is in the bio, many services to choose from. Let's do something, consultation while you choose, yeah. Desire looking, if you want it, you can book it. Deposit recommended, want that slot, I'll put you in it, yeah. Hair whipped, braids dipped, hair equipped, ends trimmed and clipped, taper fade, hello, call me if you want. I do braids, locks, wigs, weave, frontals, all up in Dallas. We move around and we travel, but now located in urban. I travel back to the valley, I be in Vegas on weekends and travel back to the base. So if you want me or need me, text my number or dial it.